Okay, today we're going to be learning to play Waltz Part 2. So make sure you've learned to play Waltz Part 1 first. Here is how it sounds. So here is how the first line of it goes. Just like Waltz 1, start on the 7th fret, play strings 1 and 3, then 2 and 4. 5, 3, 0. Alright, here is how the 4th bar goes. You finger G7. Remember the strings are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. 2nd string, 1st fret. 3rd string, 2nd fret. 1st string, 2nd fret. So you finger your G7 chord and you're going to play this pattern. Alright, so that's your pattern. Watch again. Then you play it 3 times. Here's the 5th bar of it. So you finger your C chord, 1st string, 3rd fret, and then you pick the same strings as in that previous pattern. Right? You do that 3 times. Alright, then your 6th bar is the same as your 4th bar. You finger the G7, 1st fret of the 2nd string, 2nd fret of the 3rd string, 2nd fret of the 1st string. The 7th box is the same as the 5th. You finger your C chord, 1st string, 3rd fret, and then you pick that same pattern only once. And then you end on the strum. So the whole thing goes like this. So go back and practice it. Good job.